All right, we are back again. Welcome to the Sea Seeker Resort here in Nong Krabi, Thailand. So, you walk through the door here into this beautiful Sunseeker room. You've got a little closet here, or not really a closet, but just some hangers and a little paddle there. Pretty cool. Pretty cool design. You've got your safe, hair dryer, mini fridge. Now this one's not stocked. It did have a couple of waters though, so that's the most important thing. No beers this time. And what's weird here is they kind of have the sink outside next to the bed. So this is your shower here. Nice rain shower. Oh, great hot water. Nice and hot. And then you have your toilet here and a separate door. So tower and toilet are separate. Beautiful king bed with a nice background there. I love the way this room is designed. It's very beachy like. And this TV is excellent as well. And then you have a little desk here, vanity. The only thing I don't like here is that there's not a mirror above the sink. So if you're in the sink doing your business, you kind of have to look over to the left here. But other than that, excellent room. You've got your nice pool and garden view with the balcony chairs up here. This little pool area. And then a couple little restaurants over there. The beach is about a 10-minute walk that way, so pretty good. But yeah. Sunseeker Resort here in Krabi. I give it 5 stars. It only costs about, I got a great deal online, $60, maybe with tax and breakfast, $70 altogether. The breakfast spread is also amazing, so yeah, highly recommended from Sunseeker here in Krabi. This is the restaurant where they hold breakfast at. Hello, good morning. They had a beautiful spread this morning. They had like 5 stations, one here, even an omelet station over there. So a very good breakfast. Probably the actual best breakfast I've ever seen a hotel have. Just the amount, variety, and selection of the food, amazing. So here's the pool here downstairs. Actually have a nice little swim up bar right here too. And a slide. Very impressed with this resort. Very impressed. For the price, you cannot beat it. Cannot beat it. So of course, they have the beer station there. They have happy hour. I think it's buy one get one free as well. And then there's the bar again. And you've got your pool chairs. And right around the corner here, there's a gigantic rock that is just very cool to look at. So, yep, nice little pool area there, and outside seating. You can just enjoy and relax. We also have a Japanese restaurant on site, as well as this is a restaurant here during the day. And then they also have a tourist booth here if you need any information on activities and excursions. But Sea Seeker Resort, Krabi, Thailand, highly recommend. See you next time.